Hello, welcome back to my channel. The channel where we celebrate timeless beauty, confidence, and fashion beyond 50. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn notification bell so you never miss a moment of mature model magic. Exciting news! We launched our exclusive fan club, Over 50 Glam Squad, where you'll get VIP access to content, special videos, and more. Join us now, link in description. Meet Jessika Regis, aka Nursa Jess's beautiful American model and ageless beauty. A stunning natural older woman, outdoor glamour star, and internet sensation with a redefine what it means to be fabulous over 40. Born on March 14, 1983. Jessika is 42 years old and a powerful presence in the world of mature modeling. With over 464,000 followers on Instagram at Nursa Jessix and a growing fan base on TikTok, she is inspiring women across the globe to embrace their beauty at any age. At just 157 cm tall, Jessika proves that confidence and elegance aren't measured in inches. They are owned it with style. What makes Nursa Jess so special? Adult glamour model and hot wife icon, TikTok star and internet personality, fashion and lifestyle muse for women over 50. Advocate for body positive and self-love. Jessika Regis isn't just a model. She is a movement. Her bold, glamorous content is all about empowering women to be unapologetically themselves. Stylish, confident, and sexy at every stage of life. If you're a fan Jessika, show some love in the comments what inspiring you most about her. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for your watching. Thank you and goodbye.